You've probably heard about StashAway, right? That investment app promising easy, hassle-free wealth growth. But is it really as reliable as they claim? Let's dive deep and find out. StashAway's core promise is simple: to make investing accessible to everyone. No financial jargon, no complex strategies. Just set your risk tolerance and let their algorithm do the rest. Sounds great, doesn't it? The reliability factor. So, is StashAway reliable? Well, let's break it down. Regulatory compliance. StashAway is regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, one of the world's most stringent financial regulators. This means they're held to high standards of transparency, security, and ethical conduct. Diversification. One of the key principles of investing is diversification. StashAway's algorithm spreads your investments across various asset classes, reducing risk. Professional management. Their team of investment experts actively manages your portfolio, adjusting it to market conditions. Security. StashAway employs robust security measures to protect your investments and personal information. Transparency. They provide clear and concise information about your investments, fees, and performance. While StashAway offers many advantages, it's not without its drawbacks. Limited control. You have less control over your investments compared to traditional investing methods. Fees. While their fees are relatively low, they can still eat into your returns over the long term. Market risk. Despite diversification, your investments are still subject to market fluctuations. So, is StashAway reliable? Based on its regulatory compliance, professional management, and security measures, it's a relatively reliable platform. However, like any investment, it's not risk-free. Key takeaway. StashAway can be a great option for beginners who want to start investing without the hassle. But it's essential to do your own research and understand the risks involved. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.